Hey everyone, my name is Lisa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about my 8-month braces journey. First, why I needed braces. Okay, I will show you the picture. I needed braces because I have a bite problem. I have a underbite. As you can see in the picture, my lower jaw is positioned more forward than my upper teeth. So in Tagalog, mas mahaba yung lower jaw ko kaysa dun sa taas. And also, I have a crossbite. My midline is not centered. My face is asymmetrical as in tabingi. So kaya, madalas ang ginagamit ko pag nagpipicture is yung front cam. Kasi nahihiya ako kasi yung face ko is tabingi. So ang pangit tingnan sa picture. Kaya lagi akong naka-front cam. So in short, my case is class 3 malocclusion and crossbite. Okay, a little backstory. I got my first braces in 2018 nung nagtrabaho ako sa Taiwan. It lasted for 18 months. Di ko kasi natapos yung treatment ko kasi umuwi na ako sa Pilipinas. And then, ang naayos lang ng dentist is yung front crook teeth ko. Hindi pa niya naayos yung sa lower jaw ko. And then, naalala ko noon, hindi ako in x-ray ng dentist ko. As in, sa second consultation ko is kinabitan na niya ako ng braces sa taas and then sa baba. So, ang bilis lang ng pangyayari. Ganun lang. And then, when I came back to Taiwan in 2022, bumalik ako sa dentist ko. Kaso, hindi na niya ako tinanggap. Kaya, I have to find an orthodontist. So, in total, I consulted with 3 orthodontists. But, none of them accepted my case. Okay, hindi nila ako tinanggap. Kasi ayaw nila ng case ko. Ang gusto nila is mag-undergo ako ng jaw surgery. Yeah. Jaw surgery ang gusto nila and then sa kanila ulit ako i-brace. So ayaw ko mag-undergo ng jaw surgery kasi matagal ang healing time nun and then alam ko masakit siya. Saka iniisip ko na baka meron pa naman ng orthodontist na tatanggap sa akin na mas professional pa. Sa pang-apat na orthodontist, eto, babae na. I was lucky enough na tinanggap niya yung case ko. And then, dito na nag-start yung journey ko. The braces process, step by step. First, consultation, x-ray. Second, the treatment plan that you would do for my teeth. Third is extraction. Binunot niya yung premolar ko dito sa upper right. Kasi is sungki siya. And also before, yung first dentist ko is tinanggal na niya yung isa kong premolar dito sa left. That is sungki din. Next is taking picture of my face and teeth from different angles, including side views, and scan my teeth using intraoral scanner. Yung clinic na yon, ang mga gamit nila is advanced tech na. And then, sa panglimang balik ko, sa kanan niya ako, nilagyan ng braces sa taas. And then, next month is my lower teeth na. My first adjustment was in July 2024. By August adjustment, dun ko na nakita yung difference ng midline ko. Pumantay agad yung midline ko. By October and November, nilagyan na niya ako ng elastic both sides para mag-move backward na yung lower teeth ko. And then, by December, dun ko na nakita yung pagbabago ng teeth ko. Kasi, yung lower teeth ko is umurong na. Ganun kabilis. In just 2 months using elastics, umatras na agad yung lower teeth ko. As in, nakapasok na siya. Kita nyo yan? Yan, ganyan. So now, ang problema, itong left side ka. So, nilagyan niya to ng elastic. Itong baba lang. Ito. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan. Tapos, itong sa baba, nilagyan niya ng ligature wire. Yun ba ang tawag doon? Okay. Kasi nga, i-close na niya yung gap. So, this January, wala akong adjustment kasi mag-Chinese New Year. Let's see the before and after. Tada! Okay. Let's talk about how much did my braces cost. So, andito ako sa Taiwan. Kaya, iba yung price nito compare sa Pinas, sa Philippines. My braces cost 130,000 Taiwanese dollar. My down payment is 30,000 and then my monthly payment is 4,000. Extraction ng teeth ko is 4,000. I forgot to mention that my braces is self-ligating braces, kaya medyo pricey talaga siya. Sa mga katulad ko na may case na class 3 malocclusion, sa mga may underbite na katulad ko, alam ko yung mga pinagdadaanan nyo. Don't give up on finding the right orthodontist. Hanap lang kayo, mag-search lang kayo na mag-search. If money is your concern, start saving now. It's an investment that will pay off in the end. So now, I can say is my confidence changed a lot. Confident na ako magsalita. Like ngayon, nakakapagsalita na ako sa harap ng camera, nakakapag-share na ako, nakakapag-vlog na ako. I hope this vlog helps you and encourages you on your own journey. If you like this vlog, join me on this journey by liking and subscribing. Thank you. Bye-bye. I will update you on my next adjustment.